Hello everyone. Imagine having an assistant which can reply instantly to your clients, never go to sleep, and no coffee breaks. On the top of that, it can handle client queries across multiple platforms like your website, emails, phone calls, Telegram, and Slack. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly the same system which I have created for my client. So before diving into the actual walkthrough of this system, I am Dawood, AI automation and agents engineer all in one. So if you like this system and want this for yourself, you can reach out to us and we'll see how you can also automate your business. So now let's dive into the actual walkthrough of the system. This is a Slack scenario in which an agent is watching for new messages in a Slack channel, and then it may be a voice message and it may be a text message. It's taking that and replying to the questions. And here you can see that it's also reacting to the question, so which looks really cool. And then we have a Telegram bot, same criteria. It may be a voice message, maybe a text message. It can take that and respond accordingly. And then we have website. This is for if you have a website and want an interactive widget on your website so that client can come and ask questions and instantly book meetings. So this is a sale and customer support system for your website as well. And then we have the emails. Basically, client can send an email for your support email and it can respond for that. Then we have finally for phone messages, basically text messages. And this is a scenario for that. You will have a cloud-based phone number and then it will respond to all the SMS. And finally, we have a scenario for your phone calls, which I'm basically using VAPI at the top. And then we are using this system for booking calendars and basically responding to the clients. So this is a system for the entire agent and how the entire agent works. So most of the businesses struggle with replying to the clients, and as they are not replying instantly, the studies shows when your response time is up, that it's more likely you will be lose that client. So, and it can lead to as a result of inconsistent client communication and miss a lot of potential clients. And exactly the same problem this agent is solving. It's 24 by 7, no coffee breaks, never go to sleep. Number two, it's saving a lot of time and money. Three, it can handle multiple questions, like it may be a 10 question at a time, or 1,000, or even 100,000. It's scalable enough to reply to all the questions. And then finally, we have smooth user experience, which leads more potential clients and at the end, more money. So this was the walkthrough of the system. Finally, if you need the system for yourself and want to automate your business and save a lot of time and money, so this is exactly system for yourself. So you can reach out to us and we will see how you can also automate your system. Thank you. Dawood Khan signing off.